Welcome to the channel. Guess what I'm going to do today? Let me give you a hint. Yes, another light from Eagle Lights. Eagle Lights sent me something. They wanted me to do a video for them. How easy and quick it is to install something. So they did send me this product for free. In the description below, 15% off your entire order if you use this link. There will also be a direct link to this product that I'm going to show you here in a second in the description below. Just to forewarn you, I do receive a small commission, no extra charge to you if you use my links. Let's get right to it. Let me show you what they sent me. I'm excited. I've been wanting this too. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. Yes, they sent me a black box. No, you know what they sent me? Let's open this up. Let's show you the part number first. How about that? 9500B 15RG. Guess what it is? Can you read it? Road Glide LED headlight. Yes, this fits 2015 and up Road Glides. And y'all know instructions are not included. You have to download them. So QR or whatever you know, scan code here goes right directly to it. Download your instructions. All right. Let's open up the box. In this box, and this headlight, I'm going to say, is packaged really well. Voila. Okay. Easy peasy. This is going to be great. Yeah. I can't wait to install this. Okay. Comes with everything. These are like, these are like signals that you can have. These are daytime running lights and signals. You could use them or not as signals. But bolts and stuff here. You got to put some brackets on, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. But this is going to be great. Can't wait. And of course, the first thing you got to do is take off your fairing. Everybody knows how to do that. If you don't, there'll be a link to a video that I did where I show you how to take off this front fairing. It's one of my earlier Eagle Light videos. So that'll be in the description below. Okay. But anyway, the first thing you need to do is take off your whole fairing. But I want to show you what the original headlight looks like. And then we'll get on with taking it out. Let's just turn on the regular headlight. Okay. Of course, all these other lights are Eagle Lights. But you can see it's a little, you know, dimmer than the rest of the stuff. So I want to take it out. Okay. Okay, so I've done this multiple times. So the first thing that you need to do is right here is pop off the push pins. I just take a little screwdriver here and separate this metal tin from the headlight here. Okay. There. And that'll be out of the way. Okay. Then you take a 3/16 Allen, you take off the 4 screws. 2 screws are deep in the top, 2 screws right down here. Take those out. Easy. All right. Your whole headlight should come out. I got these side vent insert things here. So just take those out of the way. Okay. And just pop off you plug off the back. There you go. Headlight it out. And I'll take it over and we'll have to, we'll put it next to the other one. Okay. All right, side by side, what do you think? Next thing you got to do is take off your side panels here. If you already have lights here, just take those off, you know, same thing. Just take off the screws here, which T25s. Okay, I got the plastic inserts off, the first thing you got to do is set your brackets up on here. And these, they provide 6 screws, and I think they're a 3mm. Just dab a little bit of Loctite on each of your screws, and we'll put them in. All right, and just tighten these up a little bit. Don't want to over tighten them, you got Loctite on them. There we go. All right. Next thing is you want to do is to put these on, your side plastic pieces on, and they supply some new bolts also for those. 4 bolts, 4 washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 nuts. So you'll set those on there, put the new washer on, put the bolt in the washer, bolt in the washer, okay? Then you will put a lock washer and a nut. Same thing on the other side. Okay. And then just tighten these up with the same 3mm, I think. Don't got to go too tight. Next, we'll bring it over and install it on the bike. Okay. Now let's install this on the bike. First, let's plug it in. Okay. All right. Okay. Right. Let's put in one of these bolts. Put in one of these bolts. Put them in loosely. Now, these don't have the little brass fittings in here no more. So you want to make sure everything's up decent. Okay. Snug them down. Snug it down. All right. Now these plug into your signals. Your right side of the bike will be brown. Your left side of the bike will be purple. These should just plug right in. You might want to do a little bit of snaking them up through. Okay. All right. I have a lot of lights in here, so I have to manage just a little bit here. Do some wire management here for this. But anyway, now you can see about snapping in your little silver thing here, back in here. There we go. Okay. Pull that there we go. Let's see if this works. Let me just plug this in. and test these to make sure these work first. So let's check this out. Okay. Whew. Working pretty good. All right. High beam. Whoa. Holy crapola. I don't know if you can. Woo. Yeah. Okay. Low beam. Signal. Okay. Signal. All right. All right, so I'm going to button this back up, and I'll be back. All right. I got the fairing back on. Let's check these out, see what they look like with everything on. Bam. Lights galore. Left signal. Right signal. High beam. So the low beam is 4,000 lumens. The high beam, 6,500 lumens. All right. Okay, what do you think? Easy install. Eagle Lights, 100% guarantee. You have an issue, call them up, send them an email, they'll fix the problem. They'll send you out a whole new light if they have to. If you have any questions, just give them a call. They can help you over the phone. Pick up a shirt while you're at it. Eagle Lights. But anyway, what do you think about the lights? I know in my last video, people were saying that, everybody should see me coming. Easy install. The longest part is taking your fairing off, which if you've done anything, you know how to do that. If not, like I said, there'll be a link in the description below to another video with me taking off the fairing, what you need to do step by step. And there's other videos out there, and I'm sure you've seen them. Okay, but a lot of lights. I got a lot on there now. I might have to get a stronger battery. I don't know. We'll have to see. A lot of them on there. What do you think? Eagle Lights. Link will be in the description below. 15% off your entire order if you order using my link. So you guys know what to do. Hit all the buttons. All of them. The subscribe. Thumbs up. And leave a comment below. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.